So we are just measuring out a template so we can go get nicer like wood boards, wood paneling.
Yeah, but like actual wood. If you
So
look
this is a template for nicer plywood.
So we're cutting out a couple notches. We're gonna do like a really basic door panel design. We're gonna have three kind of like bolt holes. Holding
Three what?
Bolt holes. Bolt holes. And then we
Sounds
also
like
need a cutout for the handle here, so we can still actually like open the door, because that's an important thing. And we're gonna put a strap. We're gonna put this strap right here around the frame of the door right here to be able to pull it closed.
Oh, okay.
Because we're not gonna actually install an actual handle thing right now.
Check in with you later. What does this take? 5?
It's probably cut 7 or 8.
What'd you just finish? Cut 9?
Alright, and then let's start on these for the grip thing. Let's try to...
Gotta put on her safety glasses.
It's like 9 o'clock at night. The wife's asleep. And we're wandering back out here to the paint shed to find out how this thing looks. Still has that wood grain feel. I don't think it's really all that tacky at all. So, here we go. But this is just a temporary panel. I wanted to paint it so I could get some practice painting wood, because I haven't ever really spray painted wood before, and I wanted to see, like, I don't know, kind of what the process would be like. All right, here we go. Here it is in all of my crappy lighting glory. It actually doesn't look horrible with this handle. Like, the color of the handle and the color of the door panel, I kind of look. All right, here we go. And now it's open again. I really like the way it looks. I think it looks really well done. I think if we picked a nicer color and had some nicer wood, it would look great.